I gotta go.
No, you're not going.
I am going. There's no call.
Excuse me, sir. Get out of my
What the? Stop!
Hey, stop! Hey, open the door!
November 7th, 2024. A butt dial brought 2 officers to this door. But instead of confirming everything was fine and leaving, they decided to make it into something it wasn't.
Hey, sir, what's going on?
Huh?
What's going on?
Nothing. Playing PlayStation. Why?
We got a call here.
For what?
Something about a property issue?
No. Literally playing zombies on PlayStation. I'm around like 25. I gotta go.
No, you're not going.
I am going. There's no call.
Excuse me, sir. Get out of my
What the? Stop!
Hey, stop! Hey, open the door!
Stop!
Hey, what's going on?
Guys, calm down. You can't do that.
Yes, we can. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. Open the door. 14. No, I need you to.
You cannot kick my door.
Stop. We got a 911 call here.
You need to leave. Nobody
Yes,
called
we
the
did.
fucking cops. You need to leave.
Is this 3002?
Yes, dude. This happened last week too.
Please,
Y'all came out here last week. This is bullshit.
Yes.
You fucking kicked my door in, bitch.
To me.
That's bullshit.
Get the fuck
I'm about
out
to
of here,
call. I will call
Get
Tony.
out of
I will
here.
call Tony Hampton
Call
right
Tony.
now. Fuck you.
Come to the door.
You think I'm fucking stupid?
I need to make sure everybody.
Get the fuck out of here right now. I'm gonna call a complaint.
Go
What's your fucking number, bitch?
Hey, listen.
What's your badge
Come
number?
outside.
What's your
Somebody
badge
come
number?
outside.
What is your badge number?
Come outside.
What is your badge number?
Somebody come outside and talk
What
to me.
is your badge number?
Yes, we got a 911
What is
call
your
here.
badge number? Tell me your badge
Never
number.
kick in my fucking door. Get the fuck
Tell
out of
me
here
your badge number right now.
It's 214.
Okay, what's your last?
Open
What's your
the
name?
door. Sergeant Chitwood, open the door.
214. What?
Sergeant
So you
Chitwood.
get the right to
Sergeant
come over
Chitwood,
and
get the
kick our
fuck out
door?
of my
You're not
fucking.
gonna.
Get the fuck
So
out
that's
of
what
here
you're gonna
right
do?
now. Get the fuck out of here.
I'm telling you,
Get the fuck out of here.
I need somebody to open
Get
the
the
door.
fuck
Talk
out
to
of
me.
here.
leave now.
I need somebody here
You need to
now.
get the fuck out
I'm
of
not
here.
leaving. I have a right to be
No,
here.
you don't.
Yes,
Get
I
the
do.
fuck- You know how
Open
you
the door.
just kick my fucking door in.
Hey,
You're
you tried to shut it.
Hey, buddy, your
Trying to
partner.
start some
Your
bullshit.
partner's looking at you like you're a fucking idiot right now.
Hey, will you talk to me? I
No,
didn't touch
he
you.
just kicked the door in.
Call Gator.
Alright.
Call somebody that's got some
He's trying to kick my
sense.
fucking door in. Fuck
Come
y'all.
outside.
I hate y'all. Get the fuck out of here right now.
Stay right there.
Fuck off.
Dude, I got you on camera for that one, bro.
Hey, will you talk to me?
Hey, I got you on camera for that,
You
bitch.
dumb fuck.
Hey,
214.
I
Fuck
got you on camera.
We all,
That was
hey,
bullshit, bro.
will y'all talk to me?
Hey, you know that was bullshit.
Please
Hey, will
leave.
you-
Please
Hey,
leave.
was it
I'm
not
telling you.
bullshit?
Please leave. I
I'm
got
getting-
you.
He's trying to kick
Can-
my door in over what?
Can I get a
I'm
little?
playing
Hey,
PlayStation. Fuck y'all.
will you talk to me?
Now you
please?
wonder
No.
why everybody
Not gonna talk to
everywhere
none of
hates you.
Not after
The
that
whole
shit.
town
You
hates
try to
you.
fucking come into my home and kick into my house? That's wrong.
Fuck you.
You know it's wrong.
Fuck you.
Sir, we're
You
just
know it's
trying.
wrong. I'm gonna talk to Jeremy. I've already called Jeremy. I'm gonna call Jeremy. I promise you.
All right, sir.
I play golf with him all the time. That's bullshit. To kick in my door, it's wrong. We'll talk to you later, sir. Have a good night.
214. We got a PD en route as well.
Hey, what's that guy's name?
Sergeant Chitwood.
Okay, that's all I need to know. All right, good.
Sir,
You don't
Sir-
kick in people's doors, sir.
sir, here's what
Hey,
happened.
how would
Okay,
you do if you went to your family's house and somebody kicked in your door?
sir, we thought there was a problem. We thought there was something going on where somebody was in danger. That's what we believe.
So you just kicked the door in?
We had to make sure everybody was okay, sir. That's,
Sir,
that is.
come on now. Come
I'm
on.
telling you here, we
Y'all
got.
can see. Hold on. You can see through the windows. All the blinds are open. You can see through here. It's playing a video game. You can see through here. There's nothing going on.
Sir, we got a call here that somebody might be in
Sir,
danger.
you did not get a call from this house.
Roger that, sir. We're figuring it out, okay?
You didn't get a call from me.
Lawsuit, fuck you!
I'm gonna tell you right now.
I hate you.
Please leave. Y'all please leave. Seriously.
Sir,
Please leave. Please. I got him on video camera right there.
Sir.
Please do not. He kicked the fucking door.
Yes, sir.
I'm gonna tell you right now, by tomorrow afternoon, his ass will be on the fucking welfare line. I'm telling you.
Yes,
You don't
sir.
come to somebody's house. I don't give a fuck what kind of call you get. You're at the wrong house. You're at the wrong house, and you fucking kicked my door. That's some bullshit. Please I'm asking y'all to leave. This is my property.
Sir,
I'm asking you.
Sir, I'm gonna step down. We're
Please,
gonna figure it out.
Please leave.
Sir,
Please.
I'll step down and I'll see if we can figure this out.
Thank you. Hey, you're being so. That guy over there with his flashlight, whatever he's got, please tell him to leave my property.
Hey man, look. Here's what I need to do. I need to confirm that everybody in this house
You're
is
not
okay.
confirming nothing.
Well, I need to because I got a 911 call.
Yeah, I'm sorry. Not here.
Huh?
Not here.
Well, can somebody come out? We're gonna wait for them to get here, and if we have to go in, do it. We'll go in and do it. Let's close up right here.
You don't kick somebody's door in by doing
You
that.
can't
don't
shut the door
confirm
on
it
me.
that way.
I'm investigating something. Okay.
No, they're not.
No, they're not going.
Who's on the way?
Leave the neighbor.
This is the right. This is the right house. This is 3002 and.
So we'll stay right here.
14 status.
I'm sitting here.
I'm sitting here. I'm just waiting for my other units to get here. Carol. 14, I'm turning on Frankfurt Road from the bypass.
Table. Central, this was sounded like it was possible domestic. Is that 10-4?
That's 10-4. Per the 911 call. It did sound like that.
Table. We'll fucking shut the door on me.
Like, see, I'm right behind you, turning on the Frankfurt. So, if you catch up to me and I'm slowing you down, go around me. My windshield wipers aren't working for some reason. Table.
Fine, we're gonna hold up right here. We'll get our other units here. And we'll figure this out.
So apparently they called dispatch and told them that someone was trying to kick the door in.
Yeah.
Which was us.
Yeah. Trying to. I was waiting for somebody else to get here because there's like 4 or 5 people in there.
What we
They
got?
come out as an unknown problem. It sounds like it's a domestic. When I get here, the door's open. I walked up to the door and talked to the son. He's like, oh, nothing's going on, nothing's going on. Went to shut the door and I kicked the door and he got it fucking shut on me now.
Reeks the weed.
It does. I'll hold it back.
Cool. Yeah, we asked Claudette to give us some type of information
Wow,
before.
we really just have what we have.
Oh no, she didn't tell us what we were walking into, like at all. So.
Will you stay with him?
Yeah, I got it.
I'm gonna go call that real quick, make sure he's good. You need help back? You need help back?
Do you have someone back there?
No, we don't. It was just us.
Sure.
They seem to have a good report. Hey, sir. Hey, you guys, we're good. You and I are good, right?
Nobody's done anything.
Sir, can you come talk to me, please?
Somebody coming outside. You kicked the door. You kicked our door.
You try to kick my door in and come in on me. You know he did.
We didn't call you,
Scared
sir.
the fuck out. Dude, this is happening.
We're just asking you to leave. That's all
Somebody's
we're doing.
fucking with us because this happened 3 weeks in a row. Y'all keep coming out here and saying, we got a phone call.
We never did anything.
That's a lie.
We didn't do anything. Please,
Y'all trying to kick the
please
door
leave.
in.
Nobody's doing anything, sir. Nobody's doing anything. We didn't do anything.
I'm playing PlayStation.
I got you on the video from
That's
a while
fine,
ago.
sir.
He kicked my door. We're not doing it. Y'all be safe. Oh, he knocked that off.
243, please. No.
You guys have dealt with them before?
I haven't. They said they've done it a couple times.
10-4. Domestic and they're inside now. He kicked the door and they're pissed about it. So reeked the weed though. So
Are they just stoned or what?
I don't know, sir. 235 Central, can you advise if there have been other calls to this residence?
They don't want to. I guess it's a domestic. They don't want to talk. Possible domestic.
that's what it is to you.
So possible domestic is what it came out as, and then we show up, the door's open, they tell us that it's nothing, and then when they tell us that it's nothing, they try to close the door in our face, kick it, and they managed to get us out and shut it, and they seem pretty belligerent.
I think we've been at that residence multiple times, and the Willie subject always tells us he doesn't need us, but somehow calls. He's always uncooperative with us.
Do you guys have any charges so far though?
235. It does come back to the top of the little meeting, and we did have previous calls there, multiple 911 hang-ups, and attempt to serve. Moreover, we had a shot fired on
So
11/24/21.
So when we got here, domestic, we roll up, doors open, start trying to talk to them.
Domestic, you said?
It's what it, I mean, kind of came out as like a unknown problem. They said they felt like they were in danger. Walk up, doors open. They seem like, I don't know. Just in general, that's what it came out as, an unknown call or an unknown problem. We go up, they try to slam the door in our face, kick it, and they managed to shove us out. And then they've shut it, and they've just hollering at us on the window.
So you think somebody's in danger in there?
I don't know. I don't think so. But I think they're just. They said we're getting a bunch of
Devin
calls.
said to go 98.
Who did?
Devin.
For the fucking domestic going?
Thank y'all for coming out.
Well, he said not come back. I know. Devin said they don't want our help.
Well, appreciate y'all.
A butt dial brought them to that door. No danger, no crime, nobody even called, but that door still got kicked in. Drop a comment. Was the kick justified, or did these officers take it too far?